The newly appointed Eritrean ambassador to South Sudan, Mr. Johannes Mikhail, has presented his credentials to the country's president, General Salva Kiir Mayardit. During the presentation ceremony at the State House in Juba, Mr. Johannes conveyed President Isaiah's greetings to the South Sudan's president and expressed readiness to exert efforts to strengthen ties between Eritrea and South Sudan. Expressing gratitude to the all-round support extended by the people and government of Eritrea towards ensuring the success of the struggle of the people of South Sudan, President Salva Kiir Mayardit asserted the readiness of the South Sudanese people to a new stage. He also voiced goodwill to President Isaiah as well as success to Ambassador Johannes in the course of his tenure. The 7th Congress of the National Union of Eritrean Women, that was held from 15 to 17 September, concluded yesterday electing new president for the Union and Central Council members, as well as adopting resolutions. Reports also indicated that Ms. Mikhail has been elected chairperson of the National Union of Eritrean Women by the 55-member Central Council. Speaking at the closing session at the Expo grounds that was attended by ministers, army commanders, regional administrators, senior PFDJ heads and national associations, Ms. Azia Burhane, chairperson of the Congress Preparatory Committee, said that a total of 426 representatives from inside the country and abroad took part in the deliberations. She further explained that a constitutional draft for the union has been adopted. The resolutions adopted by the Congress include the strengthening of the participation of the National Union of Eritrean Women members in national affairs, reinforcing members' activities in the effective implementation of the Land Proclamation, stepping up endeavors to promote female nationals in both exercise and economy, besides ensuring benefit in terms of educational and health opportunities. Moreover, the Congress underlined the need to enhance efforts as regards organizing the youth. Souvenirs by the Union and representatives of the African women's organizations who participated at the International Symposium in the course of the Congress were extended during the closing session to the ongoing National Union of Eritrean Women chairperson and the newly elected union's chairperson. The Ministry of Labor and Human Welfare's branch in the Central Region has extended learning material to a total of 1,400 orphaned children from 16 subzones of the region. Mr. Zerazgi Johannes, head of the social welfare in the branch office, indicated that a total of 975 students also received support of 500 nakfa each for uniforms and registration fees. The students said that they would live up to expectations. The branch of the National Union of Eritrean Women in Sweden recently conducted a 6-month work assessment meeting at Jongsben City. Speaking on the occasion, during which directors of 10 sub-branches of the union took part, Ms. Zaid Ogbazgi, head of the branch office, stated that it is exerting persistent efforts towards ensuring the rights of women and called on the branch members to live up to expectations of the fallen heroes and nurturing young members. Likewise, Ms. Saba Takhla, secretary of the branch office, stressed the need to enhance membership, and the sub-branches represented a report at the meeting.